So, good morning po sir. Ay na po yung akong system na ATM app. So, i-run ko na po sir. And then, run. Ay, hindi. Pakikaya pa po yung code ko. Source. Bali, abin po yan sir. ATM app. And then, ito pong Times New Roman font ko. Plain. 20. New color. Tuningan po yan sir. Po yung dashboard ko sir. Ayan po. Bali, yan. So, punta ko yung ATM. Design ulit. And then, run ko na sir. Apilikin design na ni sir kasi wala mo something nga mata sir. And then, try kaya pa pong ula-ula. Mag-run nyo. Yung maglagay nyo. Kalagin mo sir. Invalid credential yun sir. So, press OK. And then, yung tutunang username ni is user. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, login. And sir, login successfully na sir. And tapos, first, try tayong withdraw money. Subukan tayo po, 1.5. Okay. So, insufficient balance siya sir kasi po, so check balance tayo. Alata mo pong balance, current balance siya sir. So, yung gawan mo po is mag-deposit tamong pera. Subukan tayo pong 5K sir. 5K. So, okay tayo yan sir. So, ito, deposit successfully amount PHP 5,000. So, check balance tayo yan sir. So, current balance is 5,000. And then, withdraw money. So, mag-withdraw pong 2.5. Kapit na. So, press mo okay sir. Withdrawal successfully amount 2,500. So, okay. And then, check balance tayo kanyan sir. So, ayan po. Current balance is 2,500. So, withdraw tanongan sir. Para 2.5. Okay. And then, withdraw. Check balance. Current. 0 na yun naman sir. So, ayan mo po sir ang akong system. Thank you po. Bye. Ay, log out muna sir. Log out successfully. Okay. Bye. Okay, tamo po sir.